Hello and welcome to this video where I demonstrate the debadging of a vehicle and the replacement of the emblems. In this particular video I'm doing it on the B8 body style Audi SQ5. This is a before shot with the chrome pieces, and here we have the after shot with the black emblems. So what will you need? Well, you'll definitely need the black emblems. That'll be a start. And then a heat gun or a hair dryer, but it'll take longer. Auto solvent, WD-40, fishing line, microfiber cloth, and painter's tape. This particular SQ5 has the black optics package, which gives you a number of black exterior features. So it only makes sense to have black emblems. Interesting how this car came with a V6 turbo badge, but it actually has a supercharger inside. So that is something I will be changing also. Step number one would be to making sure you have a clean car. And then after that, I would mask off around the emblem. This will, one, protect the paint as you seesaw back and forth with the fishing line, but also will help when you reapply the emblems to know where, and have a reference of where you took them off. When using the heat gun, what you don't want to do is keeping it in one spot. This can cause paint damage. Since plastic is not a good conductor of heat, what we're trying to do here is just get the body of the car hot so the glue behind the emblem will loosen. It should take just over a minute to loosen up the glue enough to move to the next stage. Now with the fishing line, you want to work your way through the emblem back and forth until you fully pass the emblem and it'll pop right off. I had started off by using dental floss, but that kept breaking on me, so I switched to the fishing line and it just worked so much easier for me. Once you have all the emblems removed, you want to get working on the glue right away. As the warmer the glue is, the easier it is to just massage it right off. I even use the heat gun again as it really helps if the glue is warm. Removing the adhesive is probably the most difficult part of this job, especially on the back where the emblems were a little bit larger. This is where the WD-40 became useful, as by spraying it on, it helped remove the adhesive easier. Once you've removed all that you can see and feel of the adhesive, you'd want to apply the auto solvent. So here I had put the auto solvent on the microfiber cloth, and I'm just working my way getting those final outline residues. Now it's going to take some time, as over the years all the gunk buildup in the V or the Q will leave a mark, so just take your time. Now time for the magic. So by using the painter's tape as reference, all I'm doing here is just making sure it's centered, taking a step back, looking at that, and then coming back and applying a good amount of pressure for 20 to 30 seconds to really make sure that it bonds with the body. For the supercharged emblems, I just measured it from the door and lined it up to where I thought, gently placed it on the body, took a step back, made sure that it was level by using my phone. Unfortunately, I was also recording with my phone, so you don't see that step. But leveling it there and then coming back and just applying 20 to 30 seconds of constant pressure. So there you have it. You got the black emblems on the rear, and you got the supercharged on the sides, so no more lies. All that's left is the logos on the front grille, but I am planning to do the RS grille upgrade. So subscribe and check back for those or other Audi modifications. Take care.